Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is the rain. What is rain and what its work and what is the impact of rain in a society. So let us discuss our topic. Rain is a water droplets that have considered form of atmospheric water vapor and then fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for the depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. It provides water for the hydroelectric power plants, crop irrigation, and the suitable condition for many types of the ecosystem. The major cause of the rain production is the moisture moving along the three-dimensional zones of temperature, and a moisture contracts known as the weather fronts. In enough moisture and the upward motion is present, precipitation falls from convective clouds, and these with the strong upward vertical motion such as the cumulus thunderclouds, which can organize into the narrow rain bands. In mountain areas, heavy precipitation is possible where the upslope flow is maximized with windward sides of the train at elevation, which forces the moisturized air to condense and fall out the rainfall along the sides of the mountain. So, on the leeward side of the mountain, desert climates can exist due to the dry air caused the downslope flow, which causes the heating and the drying of the air mass. The movement of the monsoon through or the intertropical coverage zone bring rainy season to this climate. The urban heat island effectively lead to increase the rainfall both in amounts of intensity, downfall of the cities. Global warming is also causing the changes in the precipitation pattern globally, including the weather condition across the Northern America and drier condition in the tropics. Antarctica is the driest continent. The globally average annual participation over the land is 715 mm or 28.1 inch, but over the whole world it is much higher than 990 millimeter or 39 inch. Climate classification system such as the Köppen classification system used as the average annual rainfall to help the difference between the differentiating climate regimes. Rainfall is measured and using the rain events. Rainfall amount can be estimated by the weather radar. Rain is also known as the suspected on the other planets, where it may be composed to methane, neon, sulfuric acid, or even iron rather than water. Water saturated air. Air contains the water vapors, and the amount of the water in a given mass of a dry air, known as the mixing of the ratio, is measured in the grams of water per kilogram dry air. The amount of the moisture in air is also commonly reported by the relative humidity, which is the percentage of the total water vapor and the air can hold at a particular air temperature. How much water vapor in a particle air can be contained before it becomes saturated? 100% relative humidity into the cloud groups of a visible or a tiny water or ice particles suspended above the Earth's surface. Depend upon its temperature. Warmer air can contain more water vapor than cooler air, and before coming to the saturated, therefore, one way to saturate a parcel of air is to cool it. The dew point is the temperature to which a parcel must be cooled in order to some saturated. There are the four mechanisms of the cooling the air to its dew points: adaptive cooling, inductive cooling, radiative cooling, evaporative cooling. Adaptive cooling occurs when the air rises up expand. The air can rise due to the convention large-scale atmospheric motion over a physical barrier, such as the mountain. Inductive cooling occurs when the air comes to contact with the cooler surface, usually by being blown from one surface to another. For example, from liquid water surface to cooler land, radiation cooling occur due to the emission of the infrared radiation either by the air or while the surface unheated. Evaporate cooling occurs when the moisture is added to the air through the evaporation, which forces the air temperature to cool or to the wet bulb until it reaches the saturation.